Let's make this cute little mini wine bottle gnome. He's made with scrap rope and a sock for his hat. Let's get started. I will put all the supplies that you need in the description. You'll need a glass mini wine bottle. You can use a full-size one too. I use a mix of 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch twisted cotton rope cut into 4.5 inch sections. You will need a ball for the nose and a woman's sock for the hat. Untwist all your sections of rope. Then you will need to make his underwear. This step is optional, but I feel more comfortable with my gnome wearing underwear. You just want to wrap over the label with a piece of cord so that you can't see the label through his crazy beard. Start with a little hot glue at the top of the label, attach the cord, and wrap all the way until the bottom. Finish off with a little more hot glue, and his underwear is all done. Next, we'll add his crazy hair. Attach the 4.5 inch pieces of rope to the wine bottle with some hot glue. I start with the 1/2 inch rope. When you get all the way around, I like to tie a piece of cord around everything just to hold it in place while the glue dries. Repeat this process a second time. For the third layer, I used the thinner 1/4-inch rope. Put the sock over the top, making sure to cover all of the glue. Add the nose. And then tie a piece of ribbon or cord around the end of the sock. And your gnome is all done. He is so darn cute. I hope you had fun making this. Thanks for watching.